A is greater than 0. What is A? Coefficient of x square. What is A? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Very, very important, sir. First condition, a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. General quadratic equation will be of the form A. If I take A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0. A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0. Listen carefully. Sum of the roots will be equivalent to minus B by A. Sum of the roots is minus B by A. Product of the roots is C by A. Product of the roots is C by A. If you understand this condition, you can solve lot of questions easily. Alpha plus beta is minus B by A, alpha beta is C by A. A is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. B is positive. B is positive. Negative into positive, it is negative. Negative by positive, it is negative. Alpha plus beta, it is negative. Are you all with me? When the sum of two values will be negative, when it is negative, it is positive. When it is positive, when it is negative and not equal to each other. Minus 3 plus 2 or 2 minus 3. In both the cases it is negative. One is negative, another is positive. A is positive, greater than 0. C is positive. C is positive. A positive, B positive. Next one. So, another case also will come. Both are negative. Negative, negative will add up to negative. Right hand side should be positive. Positive into negative is negative. But right hand side is positive. This case not possible. Positive into negative is negative. But right hand side is positive. Not possible. That means if A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0, both the roots will be negative. Please write down. Very, very important point. In a quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c, a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and c greater than 0, alpha and beta both will be negative roots. Please write down. Alpha and beta both will be negative roots. If the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant are greater than 0, then alpha, beta will be negative roots. Then alpha, beta will be negative roots. Alpha, beta will be negative roots. Simply if the question is x square plus 5x plus 4, if the options are like this, minus 1, 4, minus 1, minus 4, 1 comma 4, 1 comma minus 4. No need to do anything. A is positive, B is positive, C is positive. Both the roots will be negative roots. Eliminate all the other answer options. Please write down. Very, very important key point. If ax square plus bx plus c, a, b, c are greater than 0, always it will give a positive roots. Extremely important, sir. Right? Extremely important. 2x square plus. Suppose for example, right? For example, 11x plus 5. 2x square plus 11x plus 5. Without even solving, you will say that both the roots will be an negative real roots. Why it will be negative real roots? A greater than 0, B greater than 0, and C greater than 0. Write down that condition.